have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong?
James!
Was I blind? This ain't a time for loving me. No matter how I try, your quest for more remains.
Where is he? James? Oh, sorry. I thought James was here.
Why do you want to rape me now? I told you I'm your brother's wife. I can't do that, please. Hey, you want to rape me? Why?
Look, are you
James! James! Why are you lying? Why are you lying?
What is the problem? What's the problem?
Your brother! Your mother wants to rape me! You almost succeeded! Oh God! Why are you denying it now?
What is going on here?
It's Uncle Richie. I was inside trying to take my bath and he just creeped in. He just held me to rape me. He tried to pull my clothes, but I said no, that I can't. I'm your brother's wife. I just had to hold him.
There's total confusion here. Total misunderstanding. Listen, I just can't hear you.
It's a lie. He wants to rape me. You know it. Why are you trying to lie now? I told you.
Listen, I can't take this. I just came in here looking for you and
It's a lie.
James, please. Please. I can't take this. I
told him I'm his brother's wife, but he wants to listen. He said he just wants to do it.
Just now? Are you sure?
Yes, but he didn't succeed. That's why I had to hold him.
He attempted to. Look. I mean, please. Don't handle me. Look, listen.
I told you.
Listen, what are you saying?
Do you know? Oh God.
My son.
Yes, ma'am.
The reason why I called you here is that I want you to take Seth to overseas where you are staying. He is a good boy. Ever since he's been with me, he has never stolen or done anything wrong.
Look, mommy, you don't even need to explain all these things to me. You know how much I love you. I will always do anything for you. As long as the boy is a very good boy, I don't mind taking him over there. Yes, it's even nice you told me early enough. I think I have to start processing his documents and his passport for his trip.
Hurry up. Let's move those ones. I think you should move, James, if you don't want to go.
Mom, where are we going?
We're going away from this place.
No, we won't.
No one. Will you keep quiet?
Mom, we want to.
Hey, you shut up and get going. Mercy, make sure you've gotten everything out of this house.
Okay, darling. You don't have a choice. You're hungry. We're leaving this house.
Dad, stop.
Come on. Will you open again and get inside now?
No.
Forsaken house for them. They're moving to our own house. It's better for us.
Melody, you can, in the waters of imagination, accuse me of such a foul play? But she said you did it, and you were caught physically present in the bathroom. Look, I know nothing about what Mercy said. I was looking for James. It's rather unfortunate I found myself in the bathroom. Hell! Bathroom! Is it in the bathroom that one looks for people? I was calling her for James. Why didn't she respond for God's sake? Oh, I'm not convinced. You are entitled to your own opinion, but I insist I'm still innocent.
Is that what you are telling me, Richie?
Yes.
Richie, I'm not convinced. Richie, no. She said you did it. Huh? I'm not convinced. Are you lying? Richie!
Men
I am proud of you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, God.
Come in now, come in, Annie.
Songs of melody ring in my heart. Suddenly,
oh, yes.
This is so beautiful. You see, honey? You see how it feels living in your own house instead of living in that your brother's big ship.
At least we have no more intruders now. We have our own peace. I hope you're satisfied, darling.
how much I care.
Yes, I am.
Never leave. Our love will last for eternity. Said, I hope you didn't forget the winter jacket.
Yes, brother.
Sure? What about the food stuff? Are they packed already?
Everything is packed in the car.
Okay.
Yes.
Belinda, please, I need some condiments. No problem. Thank you. I'll see you later.
Mary, I don't know whether you know my son Horace.
No.
He lives abroad.
Oh,
Hello, madam.
Welcome.
You're welcome, madam. You're welcome.
He is living this night with Seth.
oh, I see. Safe journey.
Thank you very much. Compliment of the season.
Okay.
Bye.
Oh, hello, Annie. Hello.
Hey.
How's the house?
It's okay.
Thank you, Justice.
How's work today?
Not bad.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I brought someone for you.
You do?
Yes. Kate,
Yes, sir.
you can come in.
Good afternoon, Auntie.
Let's see. This is the girl I've been talking to you about. She's Kate. She used to be one of the girls that helped me at the market.
Kate,
Auntie,
how are you?
fine, thank you.
My name is Mercy, and James is my husband. I have 2 daughters and a son. I hope you'll be a good girl.
Yes, Auntie. Mr. James knows me very well. Otherwise, he will not recommend me to you.
Hope you'll be good. Justice,
Yes, ma'am.
come. This is Justice, my son. Justice, that's Auntie Kate. She will be helping us out in the house, eh?
Yes,
So you have to be a good boy to her, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you will continue to be the Kate I've known, okay?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so no problem. Feel at home. Where are your things?
Up to.
Go and get them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Auntie.
You're welcome.
Not give it to you. But it's mine.
If I play with it, have I taken it? I won't.
You threw yours away and you want to take mine. Give mine.
I won't give it to you.
Give mine, ginger.
Children, stop making noise. You wake your mother up. Melody, stop it.
Give mine, ginger.
What is it? Huh? What is going on? What is it? Will you stop that? Why won't you kids just let me have rest in this house? I've been trying to have a nap, but you guys won't just let me. What is it?
That belongs to me.
So what if it belongs to you? Can she play with it? You won't kill me the way you killed your mother, witch! So you get her from here.
What did you bring for us?
I got you some chocolates. Take one each and give Justice the other.
James, Justice is sick.
What is the problem?
I don't know.
You don't know. Your child is sick. And you don't know what his problem is.
James, there's at times you just talk and I believe that you just want to get me pissed off. What do you mean by I don't know? Am I a doctor? Do I look like a doctor to you? Huh?
Daddy, is it true that Melody killed her mother?
Who told you this?
Mommy.
It is not true. Mommy was only joking, okay?
Melody, you see, it is not true. Let's go outside and play.
Mercy, you said this.
Please spare me.
Oh, I'm through yet with the lane. Sir. Oh, when justice is already sleeping. Come on, hurry up.
Jay! What is it?
Hurry up, let me.
Dressed like this? Will you get out from here? Get out now! James! That girl must leave this house tomorrow. She must leave!
But she's of great help to us in this house.
I don't want to lose my husband to anybody yet, okay?
Okay. Do anything that pleases you.
James. What about what I told you the other day? You know Justice is no longer a baby. And I can't keep on staying at home. I had to do something.
What do you intend doing?
Trading. But I need some money. Baby, I need to support you.
About how much would you need?
$10,000 will do.
But I just gave you $5,000 last week.
Oh, come on, honey. I need that money. You know how to buy lots of things. You know what trading intends.
That's alright. We can get it by tomorrow morning.
Thank you. I'll be waiting.
Joy and strength to face each new day. I love to sing deep into your eyes and tell you time again how much I care. Oh, hold me close to you, don't ever leave me. Our love will last for eternity. I will always love you.
Oh, honey, you're not through yet. Let me help you. Ugh, what are you still doing?
I'm trying to get it off.
Let me help you. Honey, I have one more request.
What is it?
My business is booming. We need to expand it.
That's a good thing. It's not bad.
But I need some money. Something bigger. You can call it a loan.
Well, I'll see my friend at the bank and see if he can help us out.
Okay, aren't you darling? Thank you. So let me rush.
Okay.
I'll see you. Take care.
Alright, you too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mercy! Look at you! Oh, good, look at you! When did you return?
You're so nice, mate. I've missed you so much. I have to come and see you. Come on, Messi, you're looking great.
You too.
Yes, Messi. You meet Paul, my friend, and this is Messi, my good friend.
Wow. You are absolutely beautiful.
Thanks for the compliments.
No.
Paul.
They are not only compliments. They are true. In fact, a lady like you deserves more.
Well, enough of that.
Oh, it's true.
Messi, so we're going to pass by tonight to the house and
No, you have to. No, you have to. Please, come on, sit. I've not seen you for ages, and you want to leave me now? No.
Oh, that's this. Mommy is saying you don't have to eat the biscuit anymore.
Mommy, welcome.
Oh, how are you? Tired. Oh, what a hectic day.
Mercy, what are we going to eat?
What kind of question is that?
Are you not going to cook?
Look, James. When you realized I was not going to come back home early, why didn't you go into the kitchen, cook some food for yourself and the kids, eh? Who says men don't cook when their wives are not in, huh?
Look, Mercy, this is the reason why I insisted we should keep Kate. Now you send her away and you expect me to do the kitchen job.
Oh, please. Just shut up. Listen, look, I'm tired, I'm having a headache, and I need to rest. I don't want you to bother me with this your food issue.
Mercy, get back here! Get back here! Justice, you have to continue with your biscuit, okay?
No, I won't eat. I'm hungry.
Oh, please, Justice.
No, I won't eat.
Begging you just take the biscuit. Take it, okay, please.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for loving you? No matter how I try.
He's always helping everyone.
Hi, Mr. James.
Hello, Mary.
Good evening, Aunt Mary.
Good evening, children. How are you?
Fine.
Please, Mary, I need some yam. Can you take this money and buy them out for me?
Okay.
About how much you do?
20.
Okay.
This will be okay.
All right.
Aunt Mary is a good woman. She's always helping Daddy. And she treats us fine.
Oh, yes. Yes, Aunt Mary is a good woman. So, Mary, see you in the evening.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Right, let's go. Mother! Where's the water I asked you to bring?
Why doesn't Mommy cook for us nowadays?
Mommy is very busy of late. Melody! Melody, see who is at the door.
Yes, Daddy. Daddy, it's Aunt Mary.
Let her in.
Hello.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Is your father in?
Yes,
Where is he?
in the kitchen.
Thank you.
Oh, hello,
Mr.
Mary.
James. I brought the yam.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you for bringing the yam. Thank you very much. I was just about to finish with the half remaining in the house.
Oh, please.
Let me do this.
Oh, please. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let me manage.
That's a woman's job. I insist. Please.
Oh, Aunt Mary, thank you very much.
Oh.
Hi, kids.
Welcome, Mommy.
Where is your father?
He's in the kitchen with Auntie Mary.
Who is Auntie Mary? Who are you? James, who is she?
Mommy, she is our friend.
Your friend? Who is your friend?
I sell at the market. I'm their friend.
James, what is this woman doing here? Is she your girlfriend?
Look, you must be out of your mind. You must be out of your mind.
If this woman is not your girlfriend, what is she doing in my kitchen? Woman, by the count of 3, you had better leave my kitchen now. 1, 2, 3.
Mommy, why should she leave? You are not being fair to Auntie Mary.
Shut up! Hey, you dare don't touch my daughter again. You dare don't touch her again.
Who is your daughter?
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for?
Oh, in Jesus' name I pray with thanksgiving. Amen. Amen. Yes.
Oh. Hello, Mary.
You're welcome, Mr. James.
Thank you very much.
Who showed you my house?
Mary, with what happened yesterday, I had to comb all around looking for your house.
Please come in.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Oh, I came purposely to apologize for my wife's behavior yesterday. I'm very sorry, and I mean, that was very rude of her. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
That's all right.
Oh, really? Are you sure you've forgotten about it?
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mary. Thank you so much. Okay. I need to join them.
Are they down there?
Yes, they are in the car.
Oh, okay.
Mary, thank you so much for forgetting about it, okay?
That's all right.
Thank you very much. Must be going.
Hi, honey.
Hello, Dee.
Hi. Hi. How's work today?
Not bad.
Honey, I want you to meet somebody.
You can sit down, Jenna. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. His name is Simon. I met him at the trade fair. He has a business proposal for you.
Gentlemen, what's your line of business?
Well, sir, I distribute footwear. I have a 64-feet 8 container, another container full of electronic gadgets. I just need a distributor.
About how much would you need for that?
Well, I just need $150,000, and you are going to be the sole distributor.
We can do that. I will have to see my bankers, and the money can be ready by tomorrow.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
So,
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, madam.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not going to let you down. I promise.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
I'd like to take my.
Yeah, I'll see you, huh?
Thank you.
Take care.
So see you tomorrow.
Okay.
All right.
Bye. So Juliet! Juliet!
Yes, madam.
Where have you been?
Well, I was cleaning the table.
Who asked you to clean the table? Did I ask you to clean the table? What happened to those clothes? Huh? What happened to them? Didn't I ask you to arrange them? Arrange them properly now, stupid girl! You think I brought you here for free? Huh? Don't I pay you?
Sorry, madam.
These girls.
Hello.
Oh, hi, Simon.
Hello, Mercy.
Longest time.
Yes,
how's everything?
Very busy. Mercy, I finished with the paperwork on the goods and I went over to your husband's office to deliver it, but I couldn't find him. I even tried reaching him on phone, but that was not successful. You see, the problem here is I'm traveling tonight.
Yeah.
And if I don't give it to him, then he has to wait till I come back.
Oh, that won't be a problem. I will sign for him. After all, he's my husband. I will tell him once I get him.
That's very helpful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sign him. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, your copy.
Okay. Your pen.
Please, tell James that he can now go and clear the bills.
Okay, I will let him know. Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Paul,
Yes, darling.
I want this relationship to last because I love you and I don't want to lose you.
I adore you, Mercy. Now I know that I've never been loved until I met you. You're so wonderful.
Thank you very much. Paul, I want us to keep this on a low profile. You know I'm a married woman, so I just want to take things easy. Would you do that for me, please?
You know I'll do anything for you. Anything. Just name it. I'll do it for you.
I will always love you.
Shall we?
Mercy! Mercy!
What is it? Why are you shouting my name like that? I have seen you can't stay in this house a minute without me. What's your problem?
Hey, cut the jokes. What of the man you brought to me? I've not seen him since.
How should I know? You're the one that did business with him, not me.
But you brought him. Huh? Look, how do I see him and get my money back?
I don't know, and stop yelling at me.
Hey! Yeah! You don't know? The money is not from you.
James, you should have reasoned before giving him the money.
How do I get this money?
James, what's wrong with you? Why are you here at this hour of the day?
Look, everything is wrong. My creditors are on me for their money. I mean, my shop is almost empty. Look, they are demanding for their money.
Find something to tell them.
Look, I cannot simply tell them anything. I mean, I've sold their goods and I have to pay them back. Mercy.
What?
Are these products not from Simon?
Yes, they are from Simon. They are just here for samples.
Goodness! But you never told me he brought samples.
Yes, I didn't tell you, but they are just for adverts, that's all.
Mercy, please find your Simon for me. I'm begging you, please find your Alaji, please, I will pay. You just some few days. Oh, Alaji, please. Alaji, I will pay. I'm not saying I will not pay. Alaji, please.
Are you Mr. James?
Yes, Court in Janja.
Yeah, man.
To seal up my place. Oh, but Jimmy.
Man, to the court will do. Let's go.
Jimmy, come in. We can't talk about this outside.
Please, let's go.
Jimmy, come inside. Jimmy.
Let's get to the court. I think Jimmy. I think I'm over there.
Jimmy. No, I've had enough of this, man. I can't accept that anymore. We settle it at the court, please.
Man, I said, what was up, my brother?
He owes me a lot.
No. Come to court and say that.
Yeah, we have to settle it at the court.
No,
please, give me a break.
It all belongs to you.
Yeah, it belongs to me.
You are going to court, my friend. Nothing. We're going to court. But put them all the nice on, man.
Jimmy, enough.
Jimmy, we have to talk.
Enough.
Jimmy, you're my good friend. You can't do this to me.
Please, give me a break. Please, give me a break.
Jimmy, you can't do this to me.
Give me a fucking break, man.
Why is the key?
Come on, Jimmy, you can't have this done.
I've had enough of this.
Sir, my man, we settled everything in court. Come down, man. We're settling everything in court.
So let's kiss our ass up.
Let's go.
Hey, children, take care whilst you play. There is no money for hospital, okay?
Daddy, I'm hungry.
Look, today I don't even have one CD on me. Mother.
Daddy.
How are we going to eat this morning?
Daddy, we have some small quantity of condo in the refrigerator.
I've seen it, but it won't be enough for all of us.
Daddy,
I and Melody will fast. We will prepare some porridge with it for justice. No, I will fast too, Daddy.
I've learned a lot about you.
Well, that's true. That's true.
How true?
Let me tell you what I like from you. I like your nose. Your lips. Soft and tender.
Oh, that's so nice. And you know what
Most of all, I like your eyes. Very blue eyes.
For that half. Oh, God, I'm coming soon. You make me so happy. Are you sure?
I love it so much. And I hope I do the same to you.
Of course you do.
Food is ready.
I don't feel for food. I don't have the appetite. How do I pay for these children's school fees?
Daddy, don't worry. God will provide.
Thank you, my child. But I know this will never go scot-free. It will never go scot-free. Now, I can't go back to my brother. How do I start all over again? But I've sworn I will never sell anything in this house. But how do I survive? How do I start all over again?
Don't go, she will reject you.
Daddy, don't cry.
Mr. Is that the way she wanted to? She's been waiting for so long for this opportunity. Your relations neglect you, friends so close forsake you, troubles all around you. You can tell you're not from your day. Oh, lonely days and lonely nights gonna come to my rescue. I turn low the day all with the world. Don't go, HIPIK. The world will reject you. It's been like this for so long. No money, no freight, Mr.
My sister, I will soon be a car owner. Do I even know how to drive?
You learn. It's lovely. Your son is so caring.
My sister, the one that makes me happy is that Seth has settled down.
Is that so?
He now works and lives on his own.
My sister, that place is definitely better than here. Good afternoon. Where are you from? Where's your father?
He's there. He told us to call you.
Okay. Sister Belinda, please keep an eye on my things. I'll be with you in a minute.
Okay. Be fast, so you know there's no one in my shop.
Oh. Who is at the gate? Come in, it's not locked.
Good day, sir.
Good day, madam. How can I help you?
I am Mrs. Nancy Arthur. Your wife has been seeing my husband, Paul Arthur, I am here to tell you to ask her to stop seeing him and leave him alone.
My what?
Because if I ever catch her with my husband,
Okay, thank you, madam. I'll tell her.
Is that all you have to say? Is that all? Okay, you will hear from me.
My wife seeing another woman's husband. Okay, we will see.
Oh, honey, is that all?
What is this wind
honey?
That blows?
Oh, darling, I was just asking whether there were anything left.
Only crime is
darling.
Oh.
I was just asking whether there were anything left.
Oh no.
What have I done?
Right.
Mercy!
Tell me where did I?
James, you're back.
Please don't
James, I'm actually waiting for you. I'm leaving.
Leaving for where? Mercy, you are my wife, for Christ's sake. Who is this man and what is he doing in my house?
James, please. James, please. There's no need to shout. James, you need your head examined if you don't know that this relationship is over.
Over?
Baby.
Yes, darling.
Are you ready?
I'm ever ready.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Mercy, what about the kids?
Oh, you can keep this.
I can't live without you.
Sweetheart, let's
Yes,
have a taste of a fruit.
And go wherever we want to.
Oh, we have to.
Oh, hallelujah.
Amen.
So this is my reward. Mother, please put it back on that same channel.
Daddy, where did mommy go to?
I don't know.
Will she come back?
Maybe.
No, we don't need her here again. She'll give us problems when she come back. Please, Daddy, don't let her come back.
Does it mean you don't miss your mother?
No, she always shouts at me. She always beats me up. I always don't care whenever I'm sick.
There it is.
Auntie Mary. Yes, Auntie Mary.
You said you paid that service rate.
You know, since we left, I've never been able to come and visit with you, no matter the circumstances. So I've come to see how at least you and Brother Richie are faring.
You, James? It is really terrible. Hey, is that how the world could be? We kept you, nursed you, and brought you up. What did we get? What did we get?
Oh, Auntie.
Frame up insults.
Oh, Auntie Mel.
You've now come to see your lovely brother after how many years? Tell me, after how many years? Just calculate. Well, you and your wife killed him.
Oh, please. Please, Auntie Mel.
You killed him. But thank God, oh God, he never survived your wife's blackmail and has been on and off the hospital for the past months. Did we see or hear from anyone? Tell me.
You mean Brother Richie has been sick for all this while? I swear I never knew.
How will you know? And how will you know when we are now enemies? We are trash. We are trash. You and your wife became too big that you didn't care about any person anymore. What do you now want from me?
What does that cockroach want in here? Oh, Brother Richie. Brother Richie is me.
Don't you brother me. Don't you brother me. Get out of my house.
Oh, Brother Richie.
Don't let me come down and meet you there.
Auntie
Mel, please. Come on, open the doors. Out!
Did you hear me?
Oh, please.
Nonsense. Out!
Oh, Auntie Mel.
You wait for me down there.
Out! Out! Shame! Oh, shame!
Just get out!
Oh, come on.
Oh, Brother Richie is me. Nonsense. Today you are in Chalawate, so you suddenly remember you have a brother. You and that shameless and greedy wife of yours, you can go back to her. The next time that you set foot in here, it is the military that will arrest you. Fool. And you, the next time that you allow that boy inside this house, you will follow him out. Nonsense.
James, I invited you here for this very important discussion. I'm talking about the money you took for your wife, the loan. The bank wrote to your wife about 6 months ago to remind her of the due date which had already elapsed.
Look, Frank, you can't believe this. My wife never told me about this. She never did.
Then your wife had something up in her sleeve. So finally, the bank took some measures to retrieve the money when it did not hear from you.
Manager, you're my good friend. You know I can't lie to you. Before God and man. Listen, heaven knows I can't pay this money now. I mean, the woman that we are even talking about, she's abandoned me and the kids.
James.
She's left her matrimonial home.
James, the bank has already taken its decision. There's nothing I can do now. You know my job is at stake. Please, if you have something doing, it should be between now and then tomorrow morning. By tomorrow morning, James, I'm afraid you can't be my friend. Right now, you have only 2 options. You pay the money or face ejection for the building to be auctioned to retrieve our money.
Why me, oh Lord? Why me?
Yes.
Look, manager, are you saying there is nothing you can do about this?
Yes, James, there's nothing I can do about it. James, I've got to go. Excuse me.
Hey, bring him out! Bring him out! You can't take him out! Bring him out! Go out! Manager!
Let's go!
Let's go! It's my time! Don't hit my time! Manager! Look! I said, put us!
It's okay. Look, it's okay. It's okay, Justice. It's It's okay. Manager! Officer! Go out! Manager! Get out! Let's go! Let's go! It's my time! Get out! It's my time! Manager! I said, cool down! It's okay. Look, it's okay. It's okay, that's it. Look, don't cry, mother. It's okay. Manager!
Come to stay in this beautiful house. You alone and you don't want to have lost your beautiful house. When we say you could come out, come and stay.
Mother, it's okay. Don't cry. It's okay, man. Oh, justice. Don't cry. Oh! This is my beautiful house. This is all that I've struggled in life for. Oh, Yehovah. Don't cry, justice. Don't cry. Oh. Mother, it's okay. Don't cry. Mother, stop crying. Justice. Look, it's okay, alright. It's okay. Melody, don't. Manager. Oh, don't cry, mother. Don't cry. Justice is okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Oh, Yehovah. Oh, Yehovah. Yeah. It's okay. I said don't cry. It's okay. Look, it's okay. Justice, don't cry. Justice is okay. It's okay. Oh, is this the end of my life? Oh, don't cry, children.
Mary, immediately I got home from the market. I heard the news that my car has landed. I'm now looking for I'm now looking for a driver to teach me how to drive. I'm now going to drive all over the place.
Oh my God.
Boom! I'm now a car owner.
Oh, these are the type of things we pray for in life. God bless those boys.
Okay, Mary, I should be going. See you. See you.
Bye-bye. Hey, Belinda now a car owner. Come in, please.
Mary.
Mr. James. Please sit down. How can I help you?
I have a little problem. But you see, Mary, I'm sorry that each time when I have problems, I drag you into it.
That's all right. What is it?
I will be traveling. And I would want you to take custody of my children for me till I come back.
That's all right. Where are they?
I left them somewhere. I said I wanted to know if you could take care of them, and I'll go and bring them.
Go and bring them. I will.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
James, listen to me. Don't take this as serious. Your case is nothing. It's anything at all. Years back, mine was worse than yours. If you witness what happened to me, you'll be very sorry. You'll be very sorry. I beg you, don't take this as very serious. Forget about everything. Forget about your properties. Whatever happened, your children, forget about them. About 5 years now, I was just introduced into this cassette business. But that is now, I'm living all right. What I'll tell you, from tomorrow, I'll take you to our producers. Then I will explain your case to them and they'll give you. Gradually, you will start selling on the street and very soon you'll be okay. You'll get money. You can put up anything at all you like. I beg you, don't take this and end your life as this.
Me selling cassettes?
James, please. Forget about shame. I beg you, James. It's better than stealing. It's better than taking off your life. I beg you. Let's go. I beg you, James. Let's go. Get back. I beg you.
Sit down. Oh, children, how are you?
Daddy, we are fine. What about you?
I'm fine.
Daddy, we are very happy. Aunt Mary is a very kind woman.
Oh, Aunt Mary.
Daddy, we want to know where you stay. Daddy, we want to know where you stay.
Oh, Justice, aren't you happy to see Daddy? Justice, come. Oh, Justice, come, Justice. Tell Auntie Mary I will see, okay? I sell in the street. I sell in the traffic. I sleep at the railway station.
Daddy, is the place safe?
Well, I'm managing. We will be together soon, okay? Children, I must be going. It's getting late, okay? Mother, don't cry, Mother. You take this, be good children, alright? As I said, please, don't tell Auntie Mary I was here, okay? Please, stop crying. Be good children, okay?
children. Your father is safe wherever he is. He'll soon come back.
But he was here when you went to town.
What?
He was here when you went to town.
Is that true? Mother, come back here. Is it true? Huh? Is it true that your father was here?
He told us not to tell you, but he stayed at the railway station.
Railway station? Oh my God.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for loving you? No matter how I try, your quest for more remains the same. Like a desert that's never watered. Don't go, HIPIK, she will reject you. A man's word is like a...
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just having fun. What about you? I thought as much. Yeah, what about the laces I told you about? I want that one. I think I want that one. And the white gold and yellow gold, please don't forget. Okay, no problem. About the business, let's just conclude it, okay? Tomorrow. No, I don't want the money in cash. I want it in check. Yeah, I mean, $100,000 would be too bulky for me to carry about. Moreover, it's very, very risky. Yeah, I want it in check. Or maybe you pay it into my account. Okay, that would be nice. Tomorrow then. Okay, take care. Of course, we'll keep on doing business. Okay. Choose. Bye.
Thank you. Where's Auntie Mary?
She are going to see a friend.
Hey, Melody.
Hi, Mr. James. Mr. James, why didn't you tell me the truth? Anyway, the children have told me everything. Please, instead of the railway, why don't you come and stay with us here?
Please, Mary, I've already...
I'm not complaining.
I'll think about it.
You don't need to think about it. You need the children as much as they need you. Please.
Daddy, please.
Please. Let me get you a cup of tea and some bread.
Mother,
what is this wind that blows? My only crime is I care for you, cherish and love.
So you like it, right?
Wow!
Yeah. Thank you. Well, you know me, Paula. You know me. You know I like peace and my freedom, and I like it because you like it.
Mercy, who doesn't like good things for himself?
Who don't?
Oh my God. I can't believe it. You've tried, Mercy.
Yeah, thank you. But this is just a taste of by the time I return from my trip to London, you know, I have to make things around, you know?
Without your love, my whole world will fall apart. Son, go, I love you so. Tell me this is only just a dream. I can't live without your love. My whole world will fall apart.
Be careful, huh? Yes, Auntie. Bye-bye.
Is this wind that blows?
How are they doing? Fine. These children are wonderful. How fast they are learning the low life. It's unbelievable.
Well, there is nothing they can do. They are good children.
Of course.
You will always know them when you see them. That
true.
was how I noticed it that day at the corner of our market.
So, rice, long grain. Rice. 2,005. 2,005.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Is it
You like the two? Anywhere I really follow me. Anywhere I really follow me. You so say they decide cassette.
Charlie.
Oh, stop that! I will slap you. I will slap you.
I've got something this one. Case of vengeance. This is Nigerian one, and this one is this one is that day part 2. It will keep all the kids at home. It will keep all of them at home. This mama for just 15,000 cedis. Just that it will keep all the kids at home.
HIPIK. Is this your new line of business? How much is it? Bring it, let me buy. I want to buy now. How much? I'll buy everything. Let me have now. I want to buy from you,
Mr. HIPIK.
Days and lonely nights gonna come to my rescue. I turn the low, they all with the wealthy. Don't go It's been like this for so long.
I think
no money, no friend. Mr.
Mess.
That's the way they want
calling me Mr.
Like those who've been before.
Calling me Mr.
So change in this world.
Let people like Mercy inhabit the earth.
What have I done to deserve things? Tell me where did I go wrong? Was I blind?
Mercy.
Is it a
calling me Mr. HIPIK? Me Mr. HIPIK.
Your quest for more remains the same, like a desert. Don't go.
I think I will end it. I must end it. Mercy.
When his pocket is empty, Mr. That's the way she wanted to be. She's been waiting for so long for this opportunity. Don't go, hippie. She will reject you. It's like a girl when his pocket is empty. Mr. Your relations neglect. Suppose for safety. Travels all around you. You can tell you're not from your day. Oh, lonely days and lonely nights gonna come to my rescue. I turn lonely, they all don't go, hippie. The world will reject you. It's been like this for so long. No money, no freight, Mr. Hippie. 'Cause that's the way you There's no change in this world.
So you are here? Okay. Listen, woman. My children have sent me money. And I'm entitled to renovate my house right now. And I want you to leave. Leave!
Landlord, you know I have little children staying with me. Please give me some time to pack out.
Some time? 2 weeks. 2 weeks and nothing more.
She will not enter this room. She will not enter this. Mary will not enter here. I disagree with Mary coming here with those children. Eh? They are not her children. When my husband died, I sent Seth back to his family. I did not bring him here. So I will not allow them to stay here.
Sister, if you asked Seth to go away, you did it with reasons best known to you alone. I can't ask these little children to go away. I promised their father before he died that I will take care of them.
Mama, did you hear that? A promise made to the dead. Even promises made to the living are broken. How much less a promise made to the dead? That man was not your husband, was he?
Martha, there's no need to worry. You are not going to feed them, are you?
But Mama, I'm not going to sit and feel unconcerned. What if anything happens to them? We'll be questioned.
Anything like what?
Anything.
Martha, you have no case here. You are just making a mountain out of a molehill. After all, they are not going to stay in your room.
They are not going to stay here either. They will not. Come, Robert, go and get me the padlock on my table. Go!
Why are you doing this?
Mama, go to your room. No.
little children. You want me to send them out? Why are you doing this? Let them go back to their family. You can't do that, Martha.
Mama, leave me alone.
You can't do that.
Leave me alone, Mama.
You can't do that.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone, Mama. Leave me.
You have to let the girl
Mama,
go. Sister, please. No, Martha.
They will not enter here.
Sister, please. I beg you.
No, I don't want.
Why?
They should go back to their family.
I beg you.
No.
Sister, why?
Mama, leave me alone. Leave me, Mama. Mama, no, leave them. No.
Sister, please.
No, Martha. They will not enter here.
Sister, please. I beg you.
No, I don't want.
Why?
They should go back to their family.
I beg you.
No.
Don't just try that one.
Let me try it this time.
Please don't.
I think you are unfair to your husband.
Me, Paula,
Yes.
unfair to my husband.
Yes.
Look who is talking. Paula, when did you become a pastor? Tell me, when?
Mercy, I mean this. Let me say it. I mean, you should have left him a lifeline.
A what?
A lifeline.
A lifeline. Listen, I am the opposite of my name. On mercy.
Mercy?
Yeah. On mercy. Don't call me mercy.
On mercy?
Yeah. I am on mercy. So that is it.
Sister, why do you treat the children like this?
Whose children are we talking about here? Look, those children are not your children. Your dads.
Why do you talk like this? Why are you so heartless?
Those children are the children of a man you call your husband. A man who couldn't even perform one single customary right on you.
Let me make this clear to you. The children are mine. I don't need anybody to tell me who they are. And they are not responsible for anything that occurs in this house.
Hey! Before you and your borrowed children came, there was no stealing here. Nothing like it.
Were you not here when your son Robert stole my money? Were you not?
My
Were you
son?
not here? Yes, your son Robert. He stole my money. You were
Mary! What's going on here? Why can't you leave your sister in peace? Martha!
Ask her. Ask her! We were living in peace until she and her borrowed children came here. There was no problem. You have to.
Amma, I can't understand why your two daughters don't tolerate each other.
Kofi, this is a worrisome development. They've been quarreling almost every day. I don't really know their bone of contention. These girls have been a relief to me. Robert does not do anything in this house. These girls have been doing everything. I don't know why Martha doesn't appreciate it.
Uncle, I never believed my mother could behave like this. Before Mary came home, who was doing all the chores? Now she has a choice and she feels Mary's borrowed children could be better.
Mother, make you no take sides. Which one you did? For where Mary did all these years? No be matter when don't they take good care of you long before she came back home. We not go free rely on those kids, so they fit desert Mary anytime where they want.
Kofi, you see how they've twisted the whole issue? Mary, I think if you leave, it will give them peace. But my problem is where they should go.
Simple. Simple. Tell Mary to take those children back to their families. And I will live peacefully with her. I won't have any problem.
Uncle, you see how weird she is? I am not moving an inch. This is my family property. I have every right to live here with whomever I choose to.
Mary, I will advise you find another place so that harmony prevails.
Mom, not moving.
Please, please.
No.
For my sake, do it.
I hope you wouldn't mind moving to a small room in my house.
Yes, let her move.
I'm not going.
You have to
go.
go.
I won't go. I'm not moving. I'll move.
You must go.
Paula.
Yes, Mercy.
Are you sure this will work?
Mercy. We succeeded the last time. And you know how much you made. You made thrice the money you invested.
That's true. But it's just that you said you saw it on the internet. Look, $400,000. It's not a small money. Look, if anything happens to that money, I'm finished.
Mercy, think about it. If it works out the way the last one works out, it is going to be 3 times 400,000. That is 1.2. Oh my God, this is big time, Mercy.
Are you sure?
I am sure, Mercy. Trust me.
Okay. No problem. I know you're my friend. And I trust you and I believe you. Don't worry, tomorrow we'll go to the bank together, eh?
Okay, Mercy.
I can't wait.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Where is Paula? Paula, where are you? God. She said she was going to find out why they have not remitted my money, even after the business has been taking place. Oh my God. I hope there's no problem. I hope nothing has happened. Paula!
Is this the woman?
Yes, officer. She's a financier.
What is it?
Woman, you are under arrest for the crime of drug peddling and sponsorship.
What?
You have the right to remain silent, or anything you say will be used in the law court against you.
Paula, what is this man talking about? What are you talking about? Me? A drug peddler? I'm sorry, you must be mistaken. I didn't sponsor any drugs. Paula, you know it. It was oil business I sponsored. I don't know anything about drugs. I don't know.
Is that so?
Yes.
Then permit me to search this house.
Oh, you're free.
Officer, search. Search everywhere, officer. Search.
Paula, what is all this?
Mercy, don't pretend. Don't pretend. Just tell the truth. Why? Tell the truth.
You're doing this to me now. I don't know anything about...
Search everywhere.
Why are you talking like this now?
Mercy, are you not going to tell the truth? Tell them now.
Oh God. Anything about drugs? Well, I don't... Oh my God. I just...
Mercy, don't pretend. Tell the truth.
Why are you talking like this now?
I told you, officer. I told you. You see?
What is this? Cocaine. Woman, you are under arrest.
Sure. I told her we were coming. You know, she's very eager to meet her teachers and
I can't wait to finalize issues so that we go back together to Europe.
Sure.
Yes.
It's all depends on you, sweetheart. You know, my mother will never be a stumbling block between the two of us.
Really?
Yes.
Let me wait. Find out.
Sure. Let's get going.
Okay.
I love to sing deep into your eyes and tell you time again how much I care.
Fire, fire, sweet orange. Fire, sweet orange. Fire, sweet orange.
Excuse me.
Ah, 100 CDs for one. Do I know you?
Yes, Auntie Mercy. Don't you recognize me?
I'm sorry, I don't.
My name is Kate. I was your house help some 18 years ago.
Oh, Kate. How are you?
Not too bad.
Where do you live now?
At the end of this street.
Oh, that's nice. You're looking good.
Thank you. 2 weeks ago, I met Mother here. She said she was coming to visit you.
You met Mother?
Yes, Auntie Mercy.
She wants to see me.
Yes. They said they have bought a house for you here.
They said they bought a house for me?
Yes, Auntie Mercy. Auntie Mercy.
Yeah.
The last house down the street.
Where?
Last house.
Oh, that one?
Yes, Auntie Mercy.
Okay, yes. Yes. Do you want orange?
Yes. You want?
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Okay. I'll see you. Let me go,
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
I love you so. Tell me this is only just a dream.
Oh, Mary. It's really wonderful the way these children turned out. They're such wonderful and hard-working children. Oh. Mary, God really used you to bring their lives to fruition. Look at you. So you now own this beautiful house, a fleet of cars, and a lineup of supermarkets.
Sister, the glory and honor goes to God.
Amen.
I will bring the money you asked for. I will also come to the house to see Robert. He must start doing something immediately.
Songs of melody ring in my heart. Suddenly, like you meet joy and strength to face each new day.
Thank you very much, my sister. Thank you.
That's okay. The press is gone.
Tell you time again how much I care. Oh, hold me close to you, don't never leave me. Our love will last for eternity. I will always love you.
Mother, thanks for your wonderful support.
Auntie, no problem. We are all one.
Yes.
Mom.
Yes?
Oh, Mom, you won't believe this.
What is it?
Guess who is here?
Is he around?
Yes, Mom. But Mom, please, let me go get him for you. Please. You just relax. Relax, Mom.
Mother, you can see that she's really in love.
You don't know how it feels to fall in love.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You're most welcome.
Thank you very much.
Seth?
Yes, it's me, and I'm in love.
That's all right. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you very much.
Seth. Seth. Is that you?
It's me, Auntie Martha. I remember you, but I survived.
Hold it. Sister Martha. Yes. Is this the Seth who used to live with you?
Yes.
Huh?
Now this house will be your own.
It's my own. I want to go in.
Hey! You the crazy?
This house belongs to me.
Come. Yes. I won't go tell my. Come on. This house will be your own. It's allowed. I'm not telling madam. Hey! Madam. Some nyama lady be. You understand? We get front. Huh? You don't talk plenty things we don't understand. Aha! Now you talk say this house be owned.
Who is that?
Oh. Come.
Excuse me.
It must be a mad woman. Please, Seth, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Why would they beat me?
Oh, so it is you. It is you. You barren woman.
Ma'am, who is this woman? I mean, who is she?
Justice, leave her alone.
Justice. Justice. Is that you? Justice, come. It's me, your mother. Your real mother. Maybe you don't recognize me. I'm your mother. Come to Mama.
And my mother? I don't know you. She is my lovely mom, and I will always love her.
You have bewitched my kids. You have bewitched them. Why? Why did you do this to me? Why? Why did you eat up the whole babies in your womb and now you want to claim my kids? You want to... Shameless woman! Why don't you tell him the truth?
That's nonsense!
Tell him!
Who are you? You mad woman! Out from this gate!
I'm your
How
mom.
dare you shout at my mom like that?
It's
out from this compound! Go out!
That woman is not your
move! Out from this place! Who are you? Go!
Mother.
Go!
What is it? How dare you push our mother? Huh? Who are you? Who are you?
Melody.
What is going on here, Justice?
Mother. Oh, thank God. God, you're wonderful. Baby, it's Mama. It's me, your real mother.
You? My mother? Melody, do you know this mad woman?
I don't know who she is.
Maybe Justice does not recognize me, but I know you two will. Please don't let this barren woman take it away from me. She's a witch.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for loving you? No matter how I try, your quest for more remains the same. Like a desert, there's never water. Don't go, HIPIK, she won't reject you. A man's word is like a curse when his pocket is empty. Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way she wanted to be. She's been waiting for so long. this opportunity. Don't go, HIPIK, she will reject you.
A man's world is like a curse when his pocket is empty.
Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way she wanted to be.
She's been waiting for so long
For this opportunity. Your relations neglect you, friends so close forsake you, troubles all around you, and you can tell you're not from your day. Oh, lonely days and lonely nights gonna come to my rescue. I turn and look, they all with the wealthy. Don't go,
HIPIK, the world will reject you.
it's been like this for so long. No money, no freight, Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way they want it to be. Like those who've been before you, there's no change in this world. Don't go, HIPIK, the world will reject you.
It's been like this for so long. No money, no friend.
Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way they want